I'm glad you're back on our channel, everyone. World Asthma Day, which is observed today, aims to increase public awareness of the chronic respiratory condition that affects more than 300 million people worldwide. This video is for you if you or someone you know suffers with asthma. We'll talk about what asthma is, its causes, symptoms, and management and prevention options. So let's get started without further ado. Lung airways are affected by asthma, a chronic illness. It is challenging to breathe for people with asthma because their airways are enlarged, irritated, and congested. Numerous things, including allergens, irritants, exercise, cold air, and respiratory infections, can cause asthma. Children and adults of all ages can develop asthma. Asthma cannot be cured, but it may be controlled with the right care. Although the precise cause of asthma is unknown, a combination of genetic and environmental factors is thought to be responsible. People with a family history of asthma are more likely to develop it because asthma tends to run in families. Asthma can also be brought on by exposure to certain environmental variables such as cigarette smoke, air pollution, and chemicals. Wheezing, coughing, shortness of breath, and tightness in the chest are some of the most typical signs of asthma. Different factors can cause asthma symptoms, which can range in severity and frequency. While some asthmatics only occasionally experience symptoms, others do so frequently. If you have ongoing asthma symptoms, it's crucial to consult a doctor since untreated asthma can cause significant problems. The good news is that with the right care, asthma may be controlled and avoided. Getting a correct diagnosis from a medical expert is the first step. To diagnose asthma, your doctor may perform a number of tests, including lung function tests and allergy testing. Once you've been diagnosed, your doctor will work with you to create a plan of action for your asthma that includes both medication and dietary modifications. Controller and rescue drugs are available for treating asthma. To stop the symptoms of asthma, patients regularly take controller drugs such as leukotriene modifiers and inhaled corticosteroids. Short-acting beta agonists are utilized as rescue drugs to offer fast,